Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Tool Bench hardware foldable hex key here. And the hex key, what it really is just a series of Allen wrenches that is all, put together like in a Swiss Army knife type of way. Now, this is very good if you are using or purchasing a lot of like furniture in boxes that you have to put, furniture together like tables or chairs or anything like that, because it usually deals with Allen wrenches and stuff like that. They usually actually give you one to do that stuff, but it's nice to have your own just in case it didn't get put in the box, right? And you got all kind of different ones here. I mean, an assortment of 8. It's very, very economical. This little tool here came with like a different color the first time I bought this. The first time I bought this was for a gift, and it was orange. The kind I got the second time for myself was yellow. It's okay. I don't mind the yellow. But yeah, these come in very handy making those little projects, like putting together like little tables and things like that. You find the nuts for Allen wrenches more often lately. At least that's in my experience. They're all over the place. And actually, I hate having to use them. I mean, I prefer to use like, Phillips screwdriver or something like that. I don't like flatheads, but the Phillips screwdriver is standard for me. But it seems like everything you need these hex Allen wrench tools, whatever, it's just how it is. So it is really good to have one of these. Now, the first time I bought this, a friend of mine got it, and not but maybe 3 weeks ago, he told me the small one here, the small Allen wrench X broke off for this. He said it broke not in the center, but it came detached from its housing down there. Yeah, just the small one. The other ones seem to be okay. That's not my experience though. In my experience, this hasn't any issues. But my friend is a mechanic, so he probably is using this for, I don't know, more aggressive things. This is not very expensive, so it's on the cheaper end. I think probably where it's housed down there, the plastic, it's just plastic on this side here. That's what it's housed into. Probably snapped off because, say if you want to use just that, you'll flip these around like this, and then you're just going to use this, and all the torque that you put on this probably snap that part. But it didn't happen with me. I don't use this very often, but I do use it, and it's always worked. I hadn't had any issue, but I know that he did. So, and it was the same exact one. It was just a different color. That's all. Other than his experience, it seems to work very well. I've put together all kind of different things with these. It seems like I have all the ones that I need. I know there are larger ones than this. I don't know if it gets smaller than this one, but I know it gets larger than this one. But I haven't needed the large one yet, the super duper end on there. But so far so good. I'm very happy with this and hope this part doesn't break on me. Yeah, but a lot of people use these, and like I said, lately it seems like a lot of devices, or I mean like things that you need to put together, are using the nuts for the Allen wrenches. It's like the latest thing. I don't know if it's a fad or what, but it's good to have one of these handy because you're gonna need it, right? All right, well, that is the Tool Bench hardware foldable hex key. Remember, there's 8 of these in here. So yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.